That special day deserves a perfect photo. Turn your memory into a masterpiece using Adobe Photoshop. Start by opening your image and duplicating the background layer. Use the spot healing brush to remove blemishes while preserving the skin's natural texture for an authentic result. It's time to fix the light. Open the curves. Follow the values on your screen. Gently lift the black point and slightly lower the red channel's curve. Now, let's create the mood. Go Filter and open Camera Raw Filter. Here, we'll drop the exposure slightly for richness, then add contrast for depth. Warm up the scene by increasing the temperature and nudging the tint slightly toward magenta. Finally, add a dark, cinematic vignette to draw the eye to the center of the photo. Next, we'll enhance the color. Add a hue saturation adjustment layer. Boost the red channel. Let's clean up the digital noise. Select your main layer, go to Filter. From the drop-down menu, choose Noise, then select Reduce Noise. Adjust the strength slider until the grain disappears. Now, let's sculpt the light. First, select the Dodge tool. Gently brighten the cheeks, brow bone, bridge of the nose, and any jewelry to make the skin and accessories glow. Once the highlights are perfected, switch to the Burn tool. Carefully deepen the contours along the jawline, cheekbones, and hairline. This contrast will add dramatic dimension. Your perfect memory is ready to cherish forever. Finally, go to File, Export. Export as. Select your desired format, like JPG, and save your retouched photo. Visit the link in the description to explore more creative tools. Subscribe for more.